Hello everybody! We have created 10 films explaining the circular economy chain within the PSA Group through the various players, parts renovators, repairers and dismantlers, through the testimonials from our internal teams, but also repair partners and retail network who have demonstrated the different stages from the parts renovation to the final customer. As you could see, within the PSA Group, we embrace all the challenges of the circular economy by offering sustainable, affordable, but also eco-responsible solutions. Please always remember the 3 R's: REMAN, repair, reuse. And also remember that thanks to these offers, we save up to 50% energy and up to 80% raw materials. Circular economy is a very strong commitment, and it's a priority for the PSA Group and all its partners.